All right, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. All right, Dirt Dauber fans. So we got the tub on the frame here, and what I've got to do is put everything on. I'm going to put the top on, the sides, the doors. I'm going to put this thing together pretty much as possible. I'm not going to put the gas tank in it and run all the wiring and that stuff, but I'm going to put maybe even the seats in here, the roll bar, the doors, the latches. I'm gonna do all that stuff for two reasons. The first reason is to make sure everything lines up. I've got to install, I'll show you in just a minute, some hinge brackets and stuff, and I want to make sure that stuff lines up before I paint this thing, because it's got to be welded. Those brackets got to be welded in. The second reason I'm gonna put all this stuff together is to make a list, a running list of what I still need to buy. And it's not going to be comprehensive by any means, but I know I only have like one door hinge pin, so I'm going to order 3 of those. I'm going to write all this down. I've got to fabricate a bracket for one of the back doors. I might try to see if I can find those online. I've looked, they're not, you can't find them. Maybe on I Hate Mud. I think there's somebody who custom makes them. Mike could get one there. But I know I'm going to have a ton of bolts and stuff that are missing. And so as I put this thing together, I will make a list of, okay, I only got 1 bolt for this latch, and I'm missing these many bolts for the roll bar. And so I'll make a list, and that way I can go online and I can order one big long list of little tiny nuts and bolts and doohickeys and all that. I guess the third reason to put this thing together before I paint it one time is to learn basically how this thing goes together. Like I put the body mounts in here. They're not tightened all the way down, but see if you can see that right there where I put that body mount in. And just, it was a learning process to learn kind of which bushing goes where and how it bolts together. So putting this thing together one time when it's in primer will be a great opportunity for me to just kind of learn how this thing is done. And that way, after I paint it and I get ready to put it together, I will have done it once, and it should go together a whole lot easier. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll time lapse this. It'd be boring to watch me clean and assemble stuff, but I'll time lapse it, make it pretty fast. and then you can check the end of this video and see the progress that I made. All right.